Welcome back everyone to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorites. It's this 1967 Alfa Duetto Spider. Hop on in, we'll show you how it drives. Alright, here we are inside of the Duetto. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Key on, give it a pump. Fires right up, sounds great. Awesome little 4-cylinder, 1600cc. In this thing, it has Weber carburetors as standard, and it is unbelievable fun to drive. It's the right size, and this is the right time of year for a Duetto. We will come back to you once we have a little temperature in there. All right, we have a little bit of temperature in the Alfa now. Oil pressure is fantastic. All gauges work, lights work. The car is exceptional. It is so much fun to drive one of these things. The weather is perfect. I mean, it's cars like this that make you think everything is right in the world. We're coming up to a tight set of twisties here. We'll show you how it does. Brake straight. Steering is nice and light. The engine is happy to rev. It's just really something else. Top is down. We have a nice top boot for this car. Top is in great condition as well. The interior has recently been retrimmed and the seats are in excellent condition. Great Italian horn. It just is a car that does everything well. It would be a great candidate to hot rod if you so choose, but it's also excellent in stock form. Engine is healthy. Small size means you can use every bit of the lane. It's not overpowered, so you can really drive it and not get in any sort of trouble. We're gonna come up here, run it through the twisties, show you how it holds the road. Be right back to you. All right, here we are in the twisties. Those Webers just sing. The induction noise is fantastic. We have a 5-speed manual transmission, which feels excellent. Clutch feels great. Cruise along just fine at speed. Does everything very well. I love this 3-spoke Alfa wheel. It's nice and thin. It's perfect size. Get excellent steering feel. So we can pull over here, do a few flybys, and we'll be right back to you. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it sounds excellent in the cabin, so I can only imagine how nice it sounds from outside. And I hope the camera portrays just how fun this car is to experience in real life. It does everything well. It's easy to drive. It makes you a better driver because you just feel everything. The sight line is fantastic, obviously out the back, but out the front as well. You sit nice and high, you see right down to the road, really just in front of the nose. You have nice storage here in the glove box. It's a very usable car. It's not too loud. This one is extremely reliable. It starts up every time. Gearbox feels great. It's easy to rev match. The pedals are in a great position. It's really just a lot of fun. We are going to run it up the farm road here through each and every gear, show you how it cruises in top gear, and then bring her back to the showroom, give her a wash, and place her until one of you take her home. All right, we're on the farm road. Stretch the legs here a little bit. That's second, up into third, fourth, and up into fifth and top gear, where we can cruise along quite comfortably. Put the top up, it'll be fairly quiet. Obviously, top is down. You get all the good noises, the rays of sunshine. Like I said before, everything is right in the world. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And we'll see you in the next one.